Hello students, welcome to my channel. So today we are talking about the circle. What is a circle? Circle, as you know, it is round in shape. Okay, any shape that is round, that is called a circle. Okay, so in circle, as you know, it have a center, okay, which is fixed. So generally we say that circle is a set of all the points set of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Means this is a fixed point. From this point it is equidistant. Okay, means all these lines are same in size, same in length. Okay, length of these lines is same. Example, it is looking like the wheel of the cycle now. So there you see the wires of the cycle, all are there, known as radius. Means these all equal length from the center is known as radius. Okay, this is the center. This fixed point is called center, and these all distances means the distance of any point. If I am taking this point, that time this distance also from the center is same. So these all distances are same from the center, that's why it is called radius. Okay, another term is, if we talk about the diameter. So what is diameter? So diameter is, if this is the circle, okay, and this is the center, so that time if you draw any line through the center and meeting the circle at both the ends, okay, meeting the circle at both the ends, so this is the fixed line segment. Means from this point to this point is called diameter. Okay, and any line you can draw, okay, through the center, that is called diameter. What is diameter? So this is the circle, okay, and this is the center. If you draw any line through the center, okay, all lines which are passing through the center and meeting the circle at 2 points, or whose ends meeting the circle at 2 points, okay, that time this length from this point to this point, okay, it is called diameter. And from this point to the center it is called radius. But this side also, this is the radius, this is also the radius. That time it is 2 times radius, means double of radius. Okay, if radius is 5 centimeter, take example, if radius is 5 centimeter, okay, this is also 5 centimeter, that time diameter from A to B, suppose this is point A, this is B, that time diameter is 10. Okay, this is called diameter. And any circle may have infinite number of diameters, infinite. Okay, this is diameter. Next term is chord. Okay, if this is the circle and you take any 2 points on the circle and join them, that is called chord. Okay, anywhere you can take 2 points and join them, like this and this. From this point also, this is the chord. Okay, number of chords are there. Okay, now we talk about the longest chord. Which is the longest chord? If this is the circle, okay, as we know, diameter is the longest chord. But why? Now I am proving this, how it is the longest chord. As you know, if this is also chord, okay, this is also called chord, this is also called chord. Okay, chord. And you know, as we are coming near to the center, so its size is becoming large. So as you can see that as we are going near to the center, so size of the chord is increasing. Okay, this is the short, then it is longer, it is still longer, then when we reach at the center, that time this is the longest chord. So any line which is passing through the center, that is called longest chord, and any chord that is passing through the center, that also called diameter. That's why these all are diameters. These all are also the longest chords of the circle. That's why diameter is called longest chord of the circle. Okay, now we're talking about arc. This is the circle. Okay, and you know, this is the chord. If this is the chord AB, okay, so this is called arc. Okay, arc AB. This is the shortest or short arc or minor. Okay, minor means small. Minor arc. This is major arc. Okay, minor and major arc. And now this much portion, this much area of the circle is known as segment. Okay, segment. So this is the minor segment, which is shaded partner, that is minor segment, and which is shaded with blue color, this one, it is known as major segment. Okay, clear? What is segment? Any chord divide the circle in two parts, and those two parts are known as segments. Okay, it may be one is smaller and one is bigger. Okay, that time smaller one is known as minor segment, bigger one is known as major segment. Okay, and when we draw the longest chord, this is the longest chord, that time both the segments are equal. Okay, half. Now we talk about the sector of the circle. Okay, this is the circle. Okay, and any arc, suppose this it AB. Okay, and this is the center, and we join this arc with the center. That time this circle is divided in sectors. Okay, this is called minor sector, this is called major sector. And when we call it sector, why we are not calling it segment? Reason is, if we join this, that time it is called chord. Okay, chord divide the circle in segments. This is called segment, but this is not called segment. When we join any arc with the center, that time we call it a sector. Okay, when we do not join the arc with the center, that time it is segment only. This is also segment and this is also segment. This is the difference between sector and segment. Okay, next we are talking about tangent. Okay, now any line which touch the circle at one point only, that time we call it is a tangent. And any one tangent can touch the circle at one point only. Okay, if here we are taking one point, that time also only one tangent can be drawn. If we try to pass another tangent from the same point, so it will cut the circle. Okay, that time it is not called the tangent. We only call it tangent when it touch the circle at one point only. Okay, next, this is the circle. Okay, and this is the chord AB. If we draw angles from this chord AB at any point on this circle, that time all the angles are equal, because these are drawn from the same chord. Okay, angle drawn from the same chord on this circle, all angles are equal. Means this, all angles are equal. If this is 30 degree, this is also will be 30. Okay, angles drawn by the same chord. And also this is important to remember that angle should be drawn on the one side only. One side means on the same side. Okay, same side of the chord. If we are drawing angle this side, that time this angle will be equal to this sided other angles. Okay, so angle should be on the one side of the chord. Another way we can say that angle drawn by the chord in the major segment all are equal, and angles drawn in the minor segment, those all are equal. Okay, these are equal and these are equal. Clear? Next property is, this is the circle, this is the center, and this is the chord AB. Okay, and we are drawing angle at the center, and from the same chord we are drawing angle at the circle. That time if this angle is 80 degree, this angle will be 40 degree. That means the angle drawn by the chord in the major segment. Okay, or another way we can say that these are the corresponding angles, but angle drawn at the center is double that of the drawn on the circle. Okay, if this is 100 degree, that time this angle will be 50 degree. Anywhere, if here it is drawn, that time also it will be 50, half of the angle drawn at the center. So angle drawn by the chord at the center is double, okay, than the angle drawn at the circle. Is that clear? If this sided angle we want to find, that time how to do? As I told you that corresponding angles we have to take. Okay, this is corresponding to this one. If we are taking this angle, that time we will take here this angle at the center. Okay, now this is 100, then this is 260. As we know, total it is 360. If this much is 100, so this is 260. That time this angle also will be half of 260, that is 130. Clear? So corresponding angles we have to take. Always remember, this angle is double of this one, and this angle is double of this one angle. Is that clear? See, this is the circle, okay, and this is center, this is the diameter. Okay, any angle drawn by diameter on the circle is always 90 degree. Remember that. Okay, any angle drawn in semicircle is called right angle. Okay, this is also anywhere but drawn by the diameter. This is the diameter. From the diameter we are drawing angles on the circle. That time all angles are 90 degree.